We're here at the Waterfowl Sanctuary, located right off of Route 101 near the Amherst town line. This small parcel of conservation land boasts a ton of natural resources. A little bit of a quarter-mile loop, definitely high grasses, so we recommend you wear long pants, your high boots. In the springtime, it's pretty wet, so be prepared. There are a number of bog bridges that have been installed and maintained by the Eagle Scouts over the years. On your way in, make sure you check out the bat boxes, and do stop and take a look at all of the natural resource signs that highlight the amazing resources that are here, from hemlock trees to witch hazel to fiddlehead ferns. Depending on the time of day you come and the time of year, you're bound to see some pretty cool birds flying around too. Keep your ears open and your eyes open. We've seen some deer tracks around lately. I wonder what else we're going to find. Come check it out.